Do you find the default dashboard doesn't quite give you enough insight into your key metrics? Well, the new custom dashboards in Kestra 0.21 will allow you to create dashboards that trend straight towards your key metrics and give you the insight you need in real time. As you can see here, this is the default dashboard that you see when you first start up Kestra, but now on the right hand side there is now an option called default dashboard, and in here you get the option to be able to create new dashboards as well as select different ones. Now I've got one already set up called data teams executions that's going to show me the executions inside of the data namespace so that I can see specifically what I'm after rather than just seeing a combination of everything. And as you can see here, it's giving me duration over the last few days, and it's only showing me a few of the charts that I'd like to see. This makes it much easier for me to be able to see those key metrics I'm trying to track rather than having to navigate through the existing dashboard. And just like our workflows and apps, the dashboards are configured in YAML directly inside of Kestra. As you can see here, you get the code on the left hand side and the UI on the right hand side, and you can easily see the different properties required to build yourself a dashboard. Now if you're interested in building these dashboards, we'll have a dedicated guide on building custom dashboards coming in the future, so make sure you subscribe to be able to see that. Now one of the nice things about the custom dashboards is when you click on a specific chart inside of the dashboard, you'll get a preview for it on the right hand side. So if I was to rename this to say executions in this week, we'll see that when I press save, it will now see that title in the chart. And we can also view the whole dashboard by clicking on the button at the top here, so we can see that in action. But we can then jump straight back to editing it as we were before. Here's a few other dashboards that we have here. This one's just showing us executions. And if we edit this, we can see that it's filtering by a duration. So we can see when we click on that chart preview, we're seeing duration as the purple pink line. We're seeing the success failed and warning metrics on there as well as data along the bottom. So we can really customize exactly how these charts look. If I was to delete duration here from my dashboard and then press the chart preview, we'll see that it now disappears. As you can see here, I've set my duration to 30 days. Now I can actually go into this and edit those as well. So if I want to change that in real time, I could change it to be just the last week. So here I can see just the last 3 days. I could also change it to be just yesterday, for example, see that nothing got executed. So it gives you lots of flexibility on how you want to use the dashboard, not just from configuring it inside of YAML, but also using it interactively for the rest of your team. And if you're using this feature in a multi-user setting where you have role-based access control, you can then control who can edit the dashboard and who can't, making sure that people are only modifying the filters rather than modifying the dashboard itself. Hopefully you found this useful and you're going to start using custom dashboards in your Kestra instance. Let us know what key metrics you're tracking in Kestra so we can help make these dashboards even more useful for you.